If you're having problem to read the words on the screen, so you can just turn on this magnifying thing. So with this magnifying, you can just read everything and zoom. Look at this, the store, gallery, play store. Even if you go up, so it shows you magnifying thing. So let's see how we can turn on. So when you go into the settings, so in the settings, scroll a little bit down. Let's do with this magnifying thing right there. So it will show us where to go. So right there is kind of little, go here. So this is accessibility, just go there and it will give you this thing, widget enhancement. Just open it. When you go scroll down, you'll find, sorry, you will find right there. Go down, you'll find this is screen zoom or magnifying. So you just go for the magnification, just click on it. When you turn it off, it will disappear, but if you want to see the words, just turn it on. So when you just press volume up and volume down together, and it will activate it. So look at this, when you press volume up and down together, so it is activated. So now you can zoom and you can read whatever you cannot read, you can read easily now. So if you want to just turn off, just go there and turn it off. It's very useful feature if you have having a hard time to see screens.